Hello everybody, welcome back to the Grave Historian. So today we're going to do something that we're not known for, but we're going to give it a shot because it's popular. I don't know if you're familiar with the new DJI Mini 5 Pro, but it was released middle of last month and I managed to get a hold of one. So everybody's done an unboxing. We don't do that sort of stuff. Everybody's done a review, and I don't do that either. What I do is film graveyards. So I guess my question to you is it worth the money for the latest and greatest drone to do aerial shots in a graveyard? What do you think? So here it is, and we are going to open it up, and I'll just tell you, I've already opened it. I've already charged the batteries on it. This thing is good to go. And I'm going to sit you up on a tripod, and we're going to open it up, lay it out, throw a battery in it. We're going to fly it, and we'll check the footage out and see how that looks. All right, can you see everything? Nice. It comes a pretty nice bag that I will be replacing with a hard shell case. Paperwork, ND filters, spare props and charging cables. Our RC2 controller. And there's our drone. And our charging hub. So I picked mine up in South Korea. These are the plus batteries. It's like 51 minutes of flight time advertised. This is the very first flight with it. As you can see, it's got the new camera with the 1-inch sensor. And we're going to throw a battery in it and take it up. It's a little windy today, so it'll be a good test. Alrighty, we have got her on the landing pad.
Take off.
We got it spooled up.
Home point updated.
There we go. We have her in the air. Take it out a little ways. So just so you know, this is all new. A drone with obstacle avoidance. So this is a first. And, you know, I typically do cemeteries. So, don't know how much of this we're actually going to catch on the action cam. We've definitely got Plenty of good footage. On our drone. So let's take her out across there and see what we come up with. Not quite sure how fast the wind is blowing, but it is definitely, it's at least 10 or 12 miles an hour. And that drone is rock solid in the air. No waving around, no calibration. This is just out of the box. You seen me take it out of the box. I hadn't calibrated anything. So we're gonna go out here. There's a big monument off in the distance. We're going to do a little spiral around it, especially since we have 360-degree optical avoidance. And there's lots of trees in this particular cemetery. It's already talking to me. It's telling me that we are near something. There we go. So I was discussing in the opening that I had never flown a drone with obstacle avoidance on it. But this was a first. And I also mentioned that I shoot cemeteries and graveyards, and I do history on both. So I guess my question is it really worth spending the kind of money that these drones cost to film in a graveyard or cemetery? What do you think? I'd like to hear from you. If you would, leave me some comments and give me your thoughts, because that's really what it's all about, isn't it? So this particular cemetery, Oakwood, it's a very old historic cemetery here in Spartanburg. And I have filed for permission to film at night in this particular cemetery. Supposedly this place is haunted. I'm I'm not a big paranormal enthusiast, believer, I guess, would be the proper terminology. I prefer the history and the story of those who've gone before us, those who are here.
Landing.
So, what is your thoughts on DJI's latest drone? Is it worth upgrading to the latest and greatest like I've done? Or do you think it's a waste of money? I enjoy it. I bought a drone to fly just because I like to hang out in cemeteries and graveyards. Doesn't mean I don't like to fly. So, I thank you for joining me today. If you like what you see, you want to learn about cemeteries and graveyards and veterans and history and maybe spooky stuff, maybe not, consider giving us a subscribe, hit the thumb, leaving us a comment. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.